Greetings. Today, we will look into a special product made by Midas Detectors. It is a first in the world with its 4 patents. Myra long-range locator. First, we will look into the device bag and package contents before looking into details of Myra LRL device. As you can see, this bag is part of Myra LRL packages. You can see our logo on the bag. You can also hang this bag to your arm instead of holding with one hand. Its handle was arranged for your hand and shoulder. Its color, black, looks great as well as providing safety. Now, time for the contents. As you can see here, its insides are covered with thick sponge to provide fair bit of protection. Control unit is wrapped to plastic in order to keep it clean. Here is seal sticker for proving its originality. Here is the serial number. At the backside, main unit, user manual, Myra search antenna. We have telescopic antennas. Silver antenna for using with Myra search antenna. I will go into the details about antennas. Another antenna is covered again like this. This one consists of 2 parts, charge adapter and cable. ESD wristband, antenna cable. This one is for lightning grounding baton cable. It is covered again, as you can see. Here, seal sticker. Myra LRL baton consists of 3 pieces. Let's put away the bag for a while. Main unit. Baton. MAYRA search antenna charging cable. ESD wristband. This one you see here is called Pro Package. What is not a part of standard package? Removing baton and cable. We'll make it a standard package if you bought standard package, need the baton later on. You can purchase the baton separately, comes with its own bag, and now your standard package becomes Pro Package. Of course, buying the Pro Package from start will be cheaper. For device assembly and setup, you can find all the information. We have user manual in multiple languages. Myra main unit supports 6 languages and details from user manual. In addition to that, our YouTube channel has instruction and training videos for assembling and using Myra LRL. You can find all the necessary information. Now, let's see Myra main unit settings and properties in detail. Now, if you look at right here, you can see that this product can from Midas Detectors. Here is the keypad and arrow buttons. Hard reset button is here. At the back, Myra search antenna and baton sockets present here. If you wish, you can hang the main unit on your belt. To open it, here is the button. Now let's open it. Arrow buttons. Confirm button. Return button. Opening button. Using this device is quite easy. Here is the settings. Here are languages. Available language options are Turkish, Persian, Arabic, and in the above, we have a French, Spanish and English, so a total of 6 language options. I will set it to Turkish. You can change the sound as well, if you wish. You can mute the device. To adjust screen brightness. This setting can close it as well, like a battery saving mode. In the information part, you can check device serial number, details and manufacturer information. At the top left part of the screen, Myra long-range locator search antenna icon. Baton icon, your selected language icon. Sound level icon and battery status icon there. Let's return from here and check the search options. Now let's choose search modes option. Press OK and check different search modes. To make a selection, you can use these arrow buttons. Automated search mode, lightning grounding mode, chambered mode. So, a total of 3 modes. In the automatic search, there is also free mode option available. So, this device actually has 4 mods. I will explain others in detail as well. We saw Myra long-range locator user interface. Now, let's assemble it quickly. After assembling, we will continue looking into mods in detail. Of course, I mentioned this device has 4 patents. We will see all of those patented technologies. Let's put aside the main control box. Here is Myra Baton. It consists of 3 parts, as you can see. We assembled it very easily, as you see it is assembled like this. If you prefer, you can use this gold-looking brass-covered antenna, or you can use telescopic, silver-colored antenna as well. So, what is the difference? How to choose? If your target is very small and located in deep underground, if you are looking for a valuable and big target, or if there is severe wind, choosing this brass-covered antennas will be a better option to use with search antenna. When there is no wind and air is warm. For targets closer to surfaces, in silver telescopic antenna can give a better results in general. Assembling an antenna is easy. You can see how I assemble and connect to the search antenna. Like this, simple as that. For some targets, silver-colored antenna is a better option. If you want to use lightning grounding mode, then you need to plug in Midas baton as well. Cables, main unit socket and baton socket. Cable socket on baton is located at this side of the handle. Baton is ready to go. ESD wristband setup is like this, as you can see here. After stabbing the button to the ground, here, your wristband must plug in here. And now we finish setup. You can check the setup and assembly details from user manual. You can use the QR code to reach Myra LRL training videos. Our YouTube channel has a lot of information about Myra long-range locator device is now ready to be used. It is time to talk about 4 patents in the market. The most common joint for long-range prospecting devices is ball bearing. Ball bearing creates friction or rust and wears down the joint system. Rotation system is a patented technology developed by Midas in order to address and fix these issues. In the backside of Myra's search antenna, another patented technology, power tube allocated. After long R&D works, the power tube extends the detection range and allows search antenna to pick up targets far away and deep underground with ease. On my wrist is electrostatic discharge wristband, a patented product which upon wearing can discharge and remove all the status electricity so that static charge won't interfere with your searches. Lightning grounding baton is the 4th patented product. Midas low baton, after stabbing to the earth, can charge the targets underground, increasing the Myra search antenna's sensitivity, helping antenna to point towards target easier. Myra LRL device can detect treasures such as gold, silver, bronze, copper and other targets such as iron, cavity, water and gemstones underground. Let's see details of search modes. In the search modes, first is the automate search. In this mode, there are predefined targets and free selection mode. In the free search mode, if you wish, you can declare your desired frequency associated with your search target and start a dedicated search. If you know frequency value of a target, you can use that to conduct dedicated searches. In the automated search mode, you can choose from targets such as water, copper, silver, gold to search, and you can also set a range value. For setting the range, if you press and hold, you can scroll from options. Maximum is 2 kilometers for search range. If you don't plug in the antennas, Myra will give a warning, so you can check and make sure if the antennas are plugged in properly. This was automated search. In lightning grounding mode, we need Midas LRL button. Now, we also have targets to choose: copper, brass, cavity. Just like the previous mode, same options are available. You can set a range and search as well. In chambered search mode, I will show how it works now here. Myra's search antennas tip part. You can place a sample in this chamber. To conduct a dedicated search, it can be a gold ring, silver bracelet. After placing it to the chamber, we can start searching. If you don't put anything to the chamber, your search will not give any results. Myra's search antennas tip can be opened just like this. Now, place a sample in the chamber for the target metal. You want a search dot, it just has to fit inside the chamber. After placing, close the chamber. Choose the chambered search mode, choose a range, and we can start. An important key detail is that chambered search mode already has a set target, the sample we placed inside. That is why in this mode, there is only range setting, no target selection. Myra main control unit gives warnings. When required cables are not connected, as we saw. Now, let's see how to prepare for a search in the first mode. Automated search mode. Let's choose automated search mode. Now time for connections. Here, Myra's search antenna is connected, like this. Let's put on ESD wristband like this. And now, in the search, if our search range is high, let's extend the antenna all the way, or simply arrange its range accordingly. Now the antenna is ready. In automated search mode, I need to choose my desired target. With arrows, I will now choose silver as my target and set the range as 2000 meters or 2 kilometers. As I press start, device is now active. Started emitting signals. The sound you hear indicates that device is conducting a search at the moment. If you come across a target, antenna will rotate towards the target's direction, left, right, or if target is at back, antenna can rotate back all the way backwards. In the search you can see which mode you selected in the screen and the range we set clearly like this. You can see here. If you want to, check your target and your settings right here. After automated search, let me show you how to start using chambered search mode. Chambered search mode, right here. There is only range, no target option, because choosing a target is done by placing a sample in Myra search antenna chamber accessed from the lid on the antenna tip. All you need is a small sample of your target, gold, silver, copper, anything really, as long as it fits inside the chamber dot. After placing the sample here, close the antenna chamber. Choose a range, could be 200 meter, 400 meter. You can increase it up to 2 kilometers or 2000 meters. Now, You can start searching by pressing start. Again, you can hear the sound, indicating device is making an active search. The sound will let you know device is working, and you can check the screen for range setting as well. Again, there won't be a target setting in the screen, because chambered search will focus and search targets based on the sample. With this, we saw the chambered search mode. Now, let's see the final mode, lightning grounding mode, in detail. Mode in detail. To see lightning grounding mode, which needs Midas LRL baton. Let's take the baton now. Midas LRL baton will arrive in 3 pieces like this. Assembling it is really simple and won't take time. This brass covered special baton is easy to set up. Here, you can see that baton has its own cable in order to connect to the main control unit. Socket for the baton is located right here. As all the pieces align like this, and we set up the baton just like this, simple enough, straightforward at the same time. Myra is ready to use lightning grounding mode from the search modes. Choose lightning grounding mode. Now, after choosing your target like this, let's pick gold. Now again, range selection is made from here, and you can start searching like usual. You can see that Myra main control unit checks for the antenna and baton, showing it with their respective icons. You can hear the sound again, showing device is working right now. Along with sound, you can see your target and range settings from the screen like other mods. Myra LRL device has many properties, as you know. There are many long-range locators in the market, which claims they emit frequency. Most of them can't be proven, but Myra LRL device's frequency can be measured with tools, such as oscilloscope, multimeter, or ammeter from measuring through search antenna tips to check the frequency values. To see this in detail, you can check our video, linked in description, which shows and explains this measurement in detail. About Myra long-range locator, aside from its own settings, device can work roughly 8 to 10 hours. But working time can vary based on the mode and settings you are using. Recharging time can also vary based on modes. Charging Myra takes roughly 4 to 5 hours to reach full charge. In the bottom part of the device, there is this LED here, which turns green when device is fully charged. But in order to see and check it, Myra needs to be charged while it is turned off. If you recharge while device is on, you will only see a constant red light. Here, lastly, let's talk about Myra, a long-range locator device warranty terms. Midas Detectors offers 2 years of warranty. For Myra long-range locator device, all kinds of warranty services are handled by Midas Detectors Tech Support Center. In order to purchase this world's first long-range locator with 4 patents, you can find contact information in the description for purchasing this device. Thank you for watching. Take care. Goodbye.